Hey Jason, this is Richard. Having the fact that our time zones are playing a little game with us and we cannot connect, I decided to record a small video. In addition to the info I've sent you in the email, so I'm gonna make a small demo, having all the major features that we have updated and we have implemented now in Epic Spider. So here's the video. So this is Epic Spider, a powerful SEO tool for SEO audit of the websites. I'm going to show you how to start working with it. You paste in or type in your initial URL in this field. I use opera.com for instance. You press start over here, or you press enter on your keyboard. And to start working, you can enter the settings. I'm going to show you how to do that. We have general settings over here where you can change the number of threads or languages, advanced settings, virtual robots.txt where you can paste them over here, scraping, user agent where you choose the user agent, and tons of customs settings that you can play with in our SEO tool. Let's begin crawling. And now the best thing that makes us stand among our competitors is our flexible parameters, which for example you can take the parameters that you want to scan. As far as you can see, I selected 4 out of 55, which for example the main competitors don't allow you to. They make you scan all 55, or I don't know how many they have. So just choose the parameters you want to scan, press start, and you're gonna have reports only on the parameters you've chosen. With the flexibility of this feature, gave the ability to one of our users to scan 9 million of pages using this flexibility. So it's one of the main features that we've got towards our competitors. So after we have scanned the website, and I use opera.com because it has a fast response time, I'm going to show you the issues, how we group our issues. So we group our issues by 3 categories. The most severe are errors, the less severe are warnings, and notices. We use notices that are, let's say it's just to simply notify you of potential threats on your website. So you always know where to start from. For example, if you don't know what a certain report means and you're not you're not sure how to fix it, don't worry, we at Epic Spider care about our users, and this is why we implemented a mini SEO encyclopedia inside our SEO Spider. So for example, we press on error, just a second, and we want to find duplicate titles. And now we can see the full report on what are duplicate titles. This is the target parameter, the thread that leads while having duplicate titles, how to fix those, how to fix the problem, and useful links. And for example, let's find another example. For example, we want to find the long server response time, and now we see the description. What is that? What is the thread, and how to fix it. So as I said, you have a little encyclopedia inside our Epic Spider. As from my point of view, sounds very perfect, doesn't it? Now I'm going to show you how to work with the segmentation, one of our non-obvious features. You see the dashboard right now is based upon the 7,540 pages crawled, and I, for example, want to work with the duplicate titles. I press duplicate titles. I use it as a segment, and I have all the dashboard reconstructed and reorganized only based on the issue that I have found over here. I press the duplicate titles. I see the issue severity on duplicate titles, the URL compliance, the response time of duplicate titles pages, and like that. Now I'm going to reset it. See, the dashboard has gone back, and I'm going to use the segmentation, for example, on site structure. We press site structure, and we, for example, are gonna choose the directory news. We press news, we get the URLs that contains news, and we use it as a segment. Now we get rid of everything else, we just stay with the news. We have the issue severity diagram pie chart only on the news part, and only the news part is going to be shown with the response time. So everything is based, all the dashboard and all the issues are based only on the news type. As far as your imagination is gonna go, the further you can use our segmentation type. And now I'm going to show you how to work with tables. The tables are located at the all results section. So over here, a big and readable list of the parameters you have scanned as 52 in our case. The tables are brought from the leaders of the market because we really wanted to deliver the best quality and the best service using our table for you to have the fastest way to work with them. Let me show you an example how to work with them. The flexibility of our tables, we take the issues for example. You want to work with issues only, you drag them up here. The program regroups everything corresponding to the issues that were found, and now you can see how many pages, how many issues had. You want to drag them back, bam, the program regroups it back. You want to take something off, tick here, for example, tick back, and for example, as far as you can see, the response time on every page is different. You want to regroup them from the highest to the lowest. You press left click on response, bam, the program groups them from highest to lowest. The same goes with issues, for example. You see the 11 issues on each page. You go a little bit down, it's going to take you to the 8 and 6 and so on. By using segmentation and using our tables, you can work within the program. You don't have to download everything in Excel. It's going to take time for you to download everything in Excel, to be honest. So, but if you, for example, only want to work with the pages that have issues, drag them up, and then it's going to take a couple of seconds. And you export the current table results in Excel on your desktop. Pretty easy, pretty fast, pretty convenient. You don't have to download everything in Excel, except if you want to work only in our program. Let's continue. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit something about exporting our reports. We export our reports in two formats, in XLX6 and in CSV. The newest feature that we have in 3.2 NetPeak Spider is the express audit of the optimization quality in PDF. When we have scanned our website, we can download this report from here. I'm going to show you how it's done. We can see it the way it looks, like that. Just a second, it's going to load. So we have the express audit of the optimization quality of our website, our date, and the content of the PDF file. All these contents are clickable. For example, if we want to see the issues that were found on the website during the scanning, we press issues and the program drives us to the issues column. We have the errors, the most severe one as I explained, the warnings, the notices. We go back. We want to see, for example, the status codes of the URLs. We see it over here. And on the bottom of our PDF file, we can even see the settings that were used to scan the website. For example, the analyzed data, the crawling restrictions, the general settings that were applied to the scanning website, and so on. Pretty and neat, let's say it like that. Close it. Another type of reports that we have over here, in Export tab, we have site structure. As I want to mention before, that before doing the site structure export, we have to scan the whole website 100%, because if we do not do this, it's going to be inaccurate. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like. Looks like that. So we export it in LibreOffice or in Excel file as you want. So to finally sum up all our advantages comparing to our competitors, I would like to start with rapid crawling speed, which you can control using our parameters, flexible ones where you can tick off and tick everything on what you want to scan. And by using an example that one of our users has been able to scan over 9,156,000 pages using our flexible parameters. Oops, just a second. We have a beautiful dashboard. We have reports with issues over here, which are broken into errors, warning, and notices. We have our encyclopedia over here. with by telling you which problems are you facing, how can you fix them, what threats do they bring, and useful links and unique features such as segmentation, parameters settings, as I said before, PageRank calculation. And by the way, we have an online chat which give us the advantage towards our competitors. Hi Mark, there's Mark. We have an online chat that is available 9 to 5 GMT plus 2. You can type in your question over here and our customer supports are ready to answer in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed the mini demo that I've showed you right now. I really hope that you're gonna come to the long version of it, because we have so many cases on so many features to show you. In the meantime, it was a pleasure doing this video for you. If you have any questions, as I said before, just use our online chat, and you can even contact me using the LinkedIn or email, or I'm available at the telephones that we have in our website. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.